Model, 57-plate Volkswagen Transporter T2884 1.9 TDI camper conversion needs engine repair. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 336,431. MOT, the 15th of January 2026. Engine, 1896 cc Bur 84 bhpe4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is indecent, average condition. Features, part service history, bed, hob, sink, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.